The Tecno Pop 9 is the latest addition to Tecno Pop series. And if you don't know, the Pop series is like the cheapest and most affordable device in all their lineup. And for the price of about 114,000 naira for the base model, is it worth it? Let's talk about it. For the packaging, it is similar with every Tecno device out there. And as I've said in my Spark 30C review, I'm very happy that Tecno is still in the business of providing everything in the box, unlike some brands, name withheld. We have the charger, the USB A to C cable, the earphone, and of course, the phone itself. The design and the build quality of the Tecno Pop 9 looks nice, nothing too flashy. It has this smart back, but the camera bump look is glossy. Yes, I know the camera bump looks like the iPhone 13, but I'm just very happy that we have something different in the Pop series. The phone is well built, comfortable and lightweight. The frame is plastic, which is fine. We get the volume keys and the power button that also double as a fingerprint scanner, and it is surprisingly fast. Still on the build, the Tecno Pop 9 is IP54 dust and splash resistant rated. So I would advise you not to go swimming with this device to avoid stories that touch the heart. Underneath the device, we have the USB-C port, the headphone jack, and a dual speaker setup, one at the top and one at the bottom. The build quality is pretty good, it's not anything special, but the change in design is a welcome addition. The display is a 6.6 inches 720p LCD display, which is expected for a device at this price range, right? My favorite thing is that the display is flat, no curves at all, and the display is quite sharp, vibrant, and consuming content on this display isn't anything special, I would say, but for an average user, this does the job, like watching YouTube, streaming on Netflix, and so on and so forth. Yeah, and there's something I must say. Tecno claimed that this device has 120 Hz refresh rate, but for me personally, I think it is just 90. I think it's all marketing strategies. I think it is 90, but that's just me. Don't come for me, that's just me. Lastly, for the display, we have 500 nits peak of brightness, which is fine. You shouldn't have problem viewing this device outdoors. The Tecno Pop 9 is running on Android 14, the Go edition, with Tecno HIS skin on it, but the Go edition is like the toned down version of Android 14. You won't really get the whole Android 14 experience, but thankfully we still have the dynamic port that shows the notification when charging your device. We also have Ella, the voice assistant. Overall, it looks exactly like every Tecno device out there. No noticeable difference at all. We have minimal bloatwares, but as I've said in my Spark 30C video, you can always uninstall them. And for software updates, there's no promises of software updates, but Tecno should give us at least 1 or 2 years of software updates. Fingers crossed on that. The Pop 9 is powered by the Unisoc T615 chipset, which is obviously an entry-level chipset and is not designed for intensive gaming, but light games would work fine. Like I said in my Spark 30C review again, I won't advise you to play COD or PUBG on this device because you won't even enjoy the game. If you know, you know. And I know some of you will ask that, is it capable of running day-to-day tasks? Yes, it is capable of running your day-to-day tasks like browsing the web, playing light games like Subway Surfer, Candy Crush, making and answering phone calls, just the basic things, nothing too crazy. And yes, that is expected because I don't think anyone is looking for high-level performance on an entry-level device. And it's the same story for the cameras. The Tecno Pop 9 has a 13 megapixel main camera and an IR blaster to control your appliances like AC, your TV, and so on and so forth, and 8 megapixel front facing camera. Picture quality won't blow your mind. They are the kind of picture quality you should expect from an entry level device, but nevertheless, under good lighting conditions, it can produce usable results, but again, nothing too crazy. Same goes with the selfie camera as well. And for videos, it can shoot video as high as 1080p 30 frames per second max, which is expected. Battery life on the Tecno Pop 9 is pretty solid. This device comes with 5000 milliamp hour battery, which is the standard in 2024, and it will pretty much last you the entire day with a single charge, even 2 days if you are a light user. And talking of charging, it comes with 15 watts of charger out of the box, and it will take about 2 hours to charge your phone from 0 to 100, which again, it is decent. Overall, the Tecno Pop 9 is up there competing with entry-level devices like the A50, A70, A05, Spark 30C maybe. So it's up there competing with entry-level devices. I have reviewed few of these devices. I'll put the link in the description below so that you can watch that when you are done watching this one. The display is okay, performance is decent, software is okay, battery is pretty solid, and if you are considering any of the entry-level devices, this also should be among your options. That is my review on the Tecno Pop 9. Thank you so much for watching as always, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we are close to 1000 subscribers. Thanks so much for watching again, and as always, love, peace, and tweets. Signing out.